It's one of the most significant responsibilities of state government, how to spend your tax dollars. That's exactly what we'll hear about Wednesday when Governor Gavin Newsom unveils his updated state budget.
There's a lot on the line.
McGeorge School of Law adjunct professor and veteran lobbyist Chris McKaylee notes the budget is very important because it lays out the state's spending plan for programs and services impacting millions of Californians.
For transportation, for education, for health and human services, whether high-speed rail receives state funding.
But it all comes as Governor Gavin Newsom for weeks now has warned the state is projected to take in less tax revenue than originally anticipated. Much of the blame, he argues, is on President Donald Trump.
The projections have significantly changed since January as it relates to our economic outlook. We were moving in this direction. We'll have charts to back that up through March in revenue. And all of a sudden, with all the uncertainty because of these tariffs and uncertainty with the new administration, that volatility is putting tremendous strain on our general fund.
Specifically, Newsom says the president's tariffs policy resulted in stock market volatility. That, in turn, he notes, impacted some of California's highest earners. Fewer stock market profits for them means less capital gains tax revenue for California. Newsom also says cuts from the federal government will impact certain programs in the state budget. All of it, he warns, could lead to a deficit that could result in cuts.
And so the question is what gives? And one thing that won't give is a commitment to fire suppression.
And he says the budget, among other things, is committed to public education, lower drug costs, and access to abortion. Republicans, meantime, argue Newsom is shifting too much blame to Trump. They say factors including Southern California fire recovery and Newsom's action to expand Medi-Cal to undocumented people have strained the budget. As for spending priorities, they're calling on Newsom to allocate $400 million for Prop 36 related programs. Last election, Prop 36 passed statewide with 68% of the vote. Supporters vowing it will crack down on certain theft and drug crimes for repeat offenders and provide drug treatment for Californians convicted of repeat illegal drug possession.
The most essential role of government is public safety. And quite frankly, I think the voters of California proved that by voting for Prop 36 and the way they did, the 70%. They want to make crime illegal again. They want accountability in our society again. They want to make sure our communities are safe. And they also want to make sure that people that need help in mental health get the help that they deserve.
And for his part, Newsom has vowed to fund Prop 36 programs. Meantime, we should have a much better idea about where the deficit stands, what he'll fund, and what he'll cut when he unveils his updated budget Wednesday morning. From there, he'll have 1 month to negotiate spending priorities with the legislature. Reporting at the state capitol, covering local news that matters, Eitan Wallace, Fox 40 News.